In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Discord update failed error on Windows. If this guide helps you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. This error can prevent Discord from launching or updating properly, but there are a couple of simple fixes you can try. First, click the search bar on your taskbar, type Task Manager, and open it. In Task Manager, use the search box to find Discord. Select every Discord process you see and click End Task. If there are any Discord background processes running, end those as well. Once you've closed all Discord processes, launch Discord again and check if the update installs successfully. If you're still getting the same error, the next step is to reinstall Discord. Open the search bar again and type Add or Remove Programs, then open it. Search for Discord, click the three-dot menu next to it, and select Uninstall. Confirm the uninstall when prompted. After Discord has been removed, open your web browser, search for Discord, download the latest version from the official website, and install it again. A clean installation usually fixes the Discord update failed error and gets the app working normally. That's it. Hopefully one of these methods solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.